Okay, I want to start off by saying that I am new to embroidery, and this is a lot of what I'm doing here is just practicing and using my machine, and I didn't want to waste fabric, so I like to make it into a little sewing project. Um, Also, I want to say at the start, this pattern that I created to make this little tea towel, the top of the tea towel, is not good for if you want to put it on your range or something like that. I am going to work on a better pattern, and I'll be posting that on my Facebook page. If you want to find the links to my social media, they're in the description box below. So anyway, I am pretty happy with how this ended up turning out. Again, this is not my file. I can't make embroidery files yet, but I had a lot of trouble color matching. I literally did not have a single thread that the pattern called for, but I made it work. And this hook and loop here, I'm just gonna sew the pieces on the back side, or what'll be the back side of the tea towel, top of the tea towel. Also, again, it's just too narrow. I didn't make that top, the neck of that, long enough to put on your range, but I am going to work on a better pattern. So there you have it. I've got the hook and loop. I'm matching those up. And for these top pieces, I did put fusible interfacing on the back. I usually use Pellon number 809 Decor Bond. And as you can see, I folded over about a half an inch or 2/3 of an inch at the bottom before I did all of this, matching everything together. And now I'm just putting right sides together and leaving that bottom part open so that I can turn it, and then I will do a top stitch. Right here, I am just sewing the top of the two pieces for the tea towel together just to make it easier to do the gathering part that I'm going to do in just a moment. These tea towels I got were massive, and I didn't want them to be that long, and I thought doing a double curtain type thing looked really cute. Kind of has an apron look. And you see here, I'm using I'm double threaded my needle, and I'm doing about an inch apart so that I can gather this. And this is my favorite way to do gathering for small projects like this. It's just more manageable than trying to use the sewing machine. Or you could use a gathering foot. I just happen to not have one for this machine, so there you have it. And I'm just putting everything up in there about an inch into the project. And you know, sometimes if you feel more comfortable, you can pin and do this. I just think this is a really small project, and it was so manageable that I didn't really need to do a lot of pinning for it. So there you have it. I'm just going to cut that little string off from the gathering string. And here is the finished tea towel. It is massive, but I think it's really pretty. It makes a good decoration. Peace, y'all. Bye-bye.